Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to remove a channel on your WhatsApp. So let us jump into that. The first thing you want to do is log into WhatsApp and go down to the bottom of your page and tap on updates. This is where you'll find your channels. So as you can see, I am following this Ferrari, Mercedes, Porsche and Kia. So now what we want to do is we want to go into it. So we've tapped on it and now we are in it. The first way you can do is go over to the top right hand side, hit the 3 dots, and as you can see it says unfollow. This will allow you to remove this channel from your WhatsApp. The second way is going into the actual name of the group or the channel up at the top. So once you tap on that, it gives you all the information of the channel. What you want to do now is go to the bottom and tap on unfollow channel. Now, if this is not an option for you, if you haven't got this available, the third way is going to the top of this very page, and where it says following, if you tap on that again, it'll give you that option to unfollow, which will allow you to remove this channel from your WhatsApp. And as you can see, once we go back out here, it'll no longer be visible. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.